Alright, I'm Tanis, She, Her, Hers of Seattle, and for this one I'm going to unbox my MacBook Neo Silver. So this is unboxing my MacBook Neo Silver, Friday, 27 March 2026. Tanis. What's their name shall I try on for this video? Let's go with I am Tanis Hitosi, with Hitosi from my Sean Hitosi. Okay, so I'm going to tell a little bit how/why I got it and the name I chose, and I might include a bonus. So I got this a few days ago and with some retirement account funds, so hard-earned money when I was a geophysicist, even doing computational work. Supercomputers, you know, Department of Energy, United States of America, like government, you know, facilities. Okay. And I have had some money that I went into a retirement account, and I withdrew some funds a few years ago, and I went and checked on my retirement account, and I had earned more than I withdrew from last time in my retirement account, and I was like, all right. So this is from my geophysics, including computational work experience. So think like, you know, Tron Ares 2025 film kind of thing. And I got it because the computer that I use for most of my stuff is it's over 9.00 years, and it's gotten no time off. I've been using it for over 9.00 consecutive years, and one of the keys started to bite the dust, and I've been working on it in conjunction with my cardiology self-experimentation. So cardiology is save the heart. And so I decided to name this computer in the spirit. I'm filming this with my iPhone 16e that I named Ventricle, and I've decided to name this one Aorta. And I got the silver color because silver is my favorite metal. So it was actually, they had 4 color options online, and I went in person to a place that still had, and they had indigo and silver, and I was like, well, I was gonna go with silver anyway, so I got my first pick of color. All right, first piece off. And so essentially it was time for, I needed to update the software on my previous computer, and I had concerns about, had concerns about the computer actually making it through the software update. So it's like, this is between the status of the funds in my retirement account and the price of this computer, which was actually a few dollars less than I had thought, I decided to get it. So it was less than $700. And so those few dollars, and I mean like literally like few, I got, I'm thinking of today turning it on, you know, password, getting my account on here, and maybe buying a few songs. So like literally a few dollars less than anticipated means a few songs, not a few albums, like music, a few songs. So my task today is music. And here it is, designed by Apple in California, where I used to live and where I made the money that slash the retirement account funds where I was living when the money that I'm using of my own to pay for this came from. I was in the San Francisco Bay Area. Yeah, so Apple wasn't too far. Now I'm in the Seattle area. Look at that beauty. Okay. I'm doing better. I'm not dropping it this time. Oh, look at that. Oh, it turned out. I wasn't going to do that yet. That's the same. Okay, well, there that goes. It's starting up. Sorry. I was going to say that for later in the day. Can I do that? Okay, it's going to be a shorter video. And then it looks like I got a plug for the wall and a cord. So charger. And it's ready to go. I'm not ready to go. I'm sorry, Neo. I'm gonna put you to sleep for the moment, or close the lid. I apologize. I don't think I've done that with the device yet. All right, and I've decided to name it Aorta, which is a part of the human heart. And that's part of my cardiology self-experimentation. So there we go. And then the bonus, okay, the bonus, here it is I share two of my this is doctor appointment specifics, so I share two of my previously not published in-person, in-doctor office blood pressure measurements for my cardiology self-experimentation. So last year I went and I shared about my dentist appointments, one in May and one in October 2025, each in 2025, and I didn't give you the blood pressure measurement. So measurement 1 was 101/72 on 1 May 2025. Measurement 2 was 98/66 on 1 October 2025. Each measurement obtained in the realm of my god Hades, so my god is Hades, original people's religion, and each measurement obtained with me as a healthy pants size 6. So I have lost weight. I used to be a size 8, and I'm now a size 6, pretty consistently, approximately. So there we go. As unboxing my MacBook Neo, silver, Friday, 27 March 2026. Tanis. Oh, and Kona wants to say, I showed him when I got back to the house with it, I showed him the box and they've been talking to each other and he's like, bring it down and show me. So I gotta go show Kona now. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing.